Thursday, October 2nd, 2025. The Holy Guardian Angels. Focus. Behold, I send an angel before you to guard you on the way and to bring you to the place that I have prepared. References to angels abound in the Old as well as the New Testament. Angels make a significant contribution to salvation history. They're usually messengers or rescuers, but invariably obedient to God. God entrusted the Israelite community to an angel to guide and guard them to reach the promised land safely. His angels similarly protect us in our daily lives in all our ways. As we celebrate the feast of the guardian angels, I recall some of the innumerable times I have narrowly missed a road accident or been saved from some other mishap. Our guardian angels are always at hand to guard and defend us. We need to appreciate them and be grateful for their service. We could also emulate their qualities of fearlessness, innocence, compassion, helpfulness, truthfulness, and steadfast obedience to God. Jesus gives his children a special place in his kingdom because of their innocence and their humility. Indeed, humility is a quality that children possess in common with the angels. Jesus says that the guardian angels of children are special as they continually behold the face of God. Fruit. Today I will spend time thanking God for my guardian angel and try and be an angel to my neighbor in some practical way.